Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we, decode corporations. Today we're diving into TTM Technologies' latest 10K filing, and trust me, it's more exciting than it sounds. Or at least less boring. TTM Technologies just wrapped up their fiscal year, and we're here to break down what's been happening with this tech manufacturing giant. In short, they make a lot of the hardware that keeps our modern world running, from circuit boards to fancy radio frequency components. Let's start with the big picture. TTM Technologies pulled in about $2.4 billion in sales. That's a lot of tech. They also have around 16,400 employees working across North America and Asia. The company splits its business into two main areas: printed circuit boards or PCBs and radio frequency and specialty components, RF and S components. Think of PCBs as the foundation for most electronics and RF components, as the tech that deals with wireless signals. A big chunk of TTM's business comes from the aerospace and defense industries, which benefited from increased government spending. The government is spending more on defense electronics, especially things like radar and communications equipment, and this is where their engineered systems make them money. TTM also makes RF components for 5G and other communication systems. This part of their business is expected to grow as we all demand faster and better wireless tech. Looking ahead, the demand for PCBs is predicted to keep increasing, with areas like data centers, networking, and defense electronics leading the way. Faster data transmission, smaller packaging, and better power use, these are some of the demand for PCBs. So how does TTM plan to stay on top? Their strategy includes a few key moves. They want to offer more than just manufacturing, but also design support and testing. They are really trying to engage with customers early in the design phase. They also want to be known for great customer service, trying to work closely with companies to develop new products and find new technologies. TTM also plans to grow by buying other companies that can help them diversify and strengthen their tech. Basically, grow by any means they can. They aim to be a one-stop shop for hardware tech, handling everything from initial design to mass production. So a company that needs a radar, the company helps with every aspect of that. TTM offers all kinds of systems, RF components, and PCBs. They also offer services like design, testing, and quick turnaround production. In terms of specific offerings, they make radar systems for planes and ships. They also make surveillance systems that tell military controllers which aircraft are friendly. On the RF side, they offer various components used in cell towers and wireless devices. The PCB manufacturing processes themselves are pretty technical, involving advanced materials, lasers, and clean rooms. TTM believes its strengths include being a leading global manufacturer, offering a wide range of technologies, having a diverse business model, and focusing on growing markets. But like any company, TTM faces risks, including economic uncertainty, international operations, currency issues, and possible problems with government regulations. The governments make sure no funny business is going on, like selling secret parts to China. They are also worried about cybersecurity. That means making sure no hackers steal important data. Because they work with the government, TTM needs to follow strict security rules. This is to protect military tech. If they break these rules, they could get in big trouble. Operating in Asia, especially China, also comes with risks related to local laws and political issues. They also have to follow environmental laws, which can be complex and costly. TTM also understands the importance of attracting and retaining skilled employees and invests in talent acquisition, development, and inclusion programs. The company strives to align its compensation and benefit programs with changing market conditions. They also survey employees and gather insights to gauge talent attraction and employees' experience. A key financial detail, the aggregate market value of TTM stock held by non-affiliates was roughly $1.9 billion as of July last year. That's the long and short of TTM's report. As you see, the company faces many issues as most modern corporations do. Overall, TTM seems to be in a pretty solid position. Their strength in the aerospace and defense markets gives them stability, and they are clearly trying to adapt to new opportunities in growing industries like data center computing. They have got a clear plan for growth and are working to improve efficiency. While global risks like economic slowdowns and political tensions are definitely things to watch, TTM is taking steps to manage these challenges. Of course, there are always potential downsides. TTM carries a significant amount of debt, and their reliance on government contracts means they're vulnerable to changes in government spending. The most significant watch out would be that, like most companies, if TTM incurs error corrections that require restatements, it may have an adverse effect on TTM's company as a whole. A good sign is that TTM recognizes that human capital is essential to executing the company's strategy. In particular, TTM is working hard on addressing cybersecurity. This shows they are forward-thinking. So to sum it up, TTM Technologies looks like a fairly well-managed company in a complex global environment. They have got strengths, weaknesses, risks, and opportunities just like any other major player. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into the corporate world. See you next time.